What if I told you there's a factory in America that builds a brand new Toyota every 60 seconds? That's not an exaggeration. Hidden in Georgetown, Kentucky, Toyota operates a high-tech facility, Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky, or TMMK, that's cranking out more than 2,000 vehicles every single day. This isn't just a car factory, it's the beating heart of Toyota's presence in the US, a place where Camrys, RAV4 hybrids, and Lexus luxury sedans come to life. But here's what's really jaw-dropping. This plant isn't just about gas and hybrids anymore. It's being quietly transformed into Toyota's launchpad for the EV war against Tesla and BYD. Inside these walls, solid-state batteries are being prototyped. AI systems control production, and a revolution is brewing, one that could reshape the future of electric vehicles in America. TMMK isn't your average auto plant. It's the largest Toyota factory in the world outside Japan, covering over 1,300 acres and employing more than 8,000 workers. Since it opened in 1988, it has built over 13 million vehicles. But today, it's doing something even more impressive, rolling out a car every 60 seconds. Yes, while you were brushing your teeth, another Toyota just hit the finish line. It builds the best-selling Toyota Camry, the fuel-efficient RAV4 Hybrid, and the elegant Lexus ES, all of which are engineered specifically for American roads. From power to comfort to long-distance endurance, these vehicles are tailored to meet US demands. But how is it even possible to produce a car every single minute? That's where Toyota's manufacturing magic begins. Three powerful systems keep the TMMK assembly line running with insane precision: lean manufacturing, Kaizen, and just-in-time. Lean manufacturing means absolutely zero waste. There are no surplus parts gathering dust, no time wasted waiting. Everything has a purpose and arrives exactly when it's needed. Kaizen is Toyota's famous culture of continuous improvement. Every day, every team is encouraged to find something to make better, no matter how small. Whether it's machine timing, worker efficiency, or component placement, the mindset is never settle. And then there's just-in-time, a system so efficient that parts arrive exactly when they need to be installed. Not before, not after. This eliminates clutter, boosts flow, and ensures smooth production minute after minute. But here's the thing. This level of precision isn't possible with human hands alone. That's where robotics and AI come in. At TMMK, humans and machines don't replace each other. They work in perfect sync. Robots handle complex and repetitive tasks like welding or body assembly with micrometer accuracy. At the same time, when AI oversees the entire factory in real time, monitoring efficiency, detecting errors, even inspecting components for defects. If a part has even the tiniest flaw, sensors detect it and flag it instantly. The result? Fewer defects, faster output, and incredible quality. It's not just automation, it's intelligent, responsive production. Despite all the technology, Toyota never forgets the people behind the process. TMMK employs over 8,000 skilled workers, and they aren't treated like machines, they're treated like family. Every new hire receives full-spectrum training before touching a single car. Safety is prioritized with AI-equipped machines designed to alert workers in case of danger. The environment is clean, organized, and focused. Employees have access to regular health checkups, break zones, and wellness resources. And many of them stay with the company for decades because they're respected, heard, and empowered. In fact, employees at TMMK are a key part of Toyota's innovation pipeline. Through regular Kaizen meetings, they're encouraged to suggest new ideas or improvements to any part of the assembly line. And when a good idea surfaces, it's often implemented within days. This culture of bottom-up innovation has made TMMK more than just a factory. It's a live research lab where thousands of small improvements add up to world-class results. And speaking of innovation, let's talk about the big shift that's happening inside TMMK right now: electric vehicles. While the world watches Tesla and BYD dominate EV headlines, Toyota is making moves behind the scenes. Right now, the factory is being upgraded to accommodate production of hybrid, gas, and fully electric vehicles, all on the same line. Special areas are being prepared for battery installation, motor fitting, and EV-specific electronics. And here's the real power play. Toyota is developing its own battery production unit inside TMMK. Until now, Toyota has relied on external suppliers for EV batteries. But that's changing. The company is investing heavily in two types of battery tech: nickel metal hydride for hybrids and lithium ion for full EVs. Each battery goes through rigorous testing, from thermal stability to charge rates to overall life cycles. And behind closed doors, Toyota is working on the holy grail of EV technology: solid-state batteries. These next-gen power units are safer, charge faster, and last longer. If Toyota perfects them, it could leapfrog Tesla overnight. Imagine this: a Toyota EV with a solid-state battery, assembled on American soil, with Toyota-level reliability, and a price point that undercuts the competition. That future is closer than you think, and it's starting right here at TMMK. The prototypes are being quietly tested, the production lines are being retrofitted, and the goal is clear: to beat Tesla and BYD not just in tech, but in trust, consistency, and global scalability. Of course, before a Toyota vehicle leaves this factory, it faces one more challenge: testing. Every single car is digitally scanned for faults in brakes, lights, sensors, battery systems, and more. Then it's taken onto a real-world test track where expert drivers push it to its limits, braking hard, cornering fast, and simulating highway driving. Whether the vehicle is staying in Kentucky or headed across the globe, it undergoes the exact same scrutiny. Because for Toyota, quality is universal. If you break a customer's trust once, you may never get it back. Beyond vehicles, TMMK plays a huge role in the U.S. economy. It sources parts locally, supports thousands of families, and drives billions into regional economies. Employees at TMMK aren't just building cars, they're building careers, communities, and America's energy future. Many say the reason they stay so long is simple. At Toyota, you're heard. And that brings us to the bigger picture. Will Toyota beat Tesla and BYD? The answer isn't just about speed, it's about balance. While Tesla races ahead with full automation and flashy software, Toyota is betting on reliability, human-centered design, and evolutionary change. At TMMK, cars aren't treated like disposable gadgets. They're built like lifetime companions, ready for every road, every season, every family. This is why Toyota's hybrid cars still dominate their categories, why the Camry remains a bestseller, and why the RAV4 Hybrid keeps outselling most EVs. Toyota isn't chasing trends, it's setting standards. And as it steps boldly into the EV future, backed by solid-state battery technology, AI-enhanced manufacturing, and a deeply loyal workforce, it's not just joining the race. It might win it. Because in the end, while Tesla might win the headline, Toyota wins the driveway. And the quiet revolution at TMMK is the reason why.